Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Jeff Carb. In today's video, I want to hear from you. I want to hear your opinion. What do you think? I have a Nissan Rogue here and it has some engine issues, and I'm going to show you here in a bit. But before we go there, I want to share with you something that happened this week. I want to say thank you very much because of what you've been doing. We have finally hit 1,000 subscribers, and YouTube just sent me this email, and I'm gonna read with you here what they said. Jeff Cowboy, we always knew this day would come, and we hope you did too. You're doing amazing work. We couldn't be happier for you. Hey, I want to say this could not have happened without your support. For those who've been subscribing, comment, sharing, thank you very much. This could not have happened without you. And if you haven't got a chance to subscribe, hit that red subscribe button now. And thank you very much. So we can continue growing even more subscribers. So let's get back to what we brought us here. I have a Nissan Rogue here and I have an engine issue, and I want to hear your opinion today. Share with me on the comment section, what do you think this engine sound? Listen to this engine sound, and I'm gonna show you from here on the hood, on the rear, on the exhaust. You're gonna listen. I'm gonna turn on the engine and listen to that sound. Share with me from your experience or from whatever the information that you have. Let me know what you think is this sound, the Rattling sound. So stay tuned and listen and share on the comment. Let me hear from you. And the next video is gonna be from all of you. I'm gonna be doing step by step what you think is the issue, and I'm gonna do a video exactly trying to solve this issue. So stay tuned. So let me hear what you think on the comment section. Let me know what you think, and so we can address that issue. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned. Next video on fixing the same issue is coming up soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.